Oh, look who I met here. Yeah, hi Irene. This is a friend of mine from Hong Kong. Hi. Okay, we leave it. Oh man. Well, I just might.
Hi, everybody. I'm just eating chocolate. It's like chocolate, huh? This is yummy. Look at it. Chocolate bar.
What do you have to say?
Eat cake.
What cake are you eating now?
Chocolate cake.
There's quite a big and large cake you have got there. Can you finish?
Yeah.
You don't sound very convincing. Can you finish?
Only if Daddy eat when I full.
Miss, you want me to finish what you cannot finish, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, drink. Ini kamu punya itu apa? Barang itu. Coba ini instrumen. Makanan yang seperti ini ada satu lagi produk.
Yummy.
You want to ask everybody to subscribe?
Yes. Hit like and subscribe, share, and like.
People, we are still here at the Shangri-La'S Rasa Ria Resort, and unfortunately the weather today this afternoon has not been really super. It started to rain in the afternoon, so we couldn't catch a good sunset, which we have planned to go to the beach and just catch the sunset. But instead, it's dinner time right now, and I'm sure the best part of staying in a nice resort as this is not only the rooms, but it's also the glorious food. Yes, dinner is coming right up, and I'm sure everybody's hungry. Let me just show you guys and bring you guys around the kitchen, which is an open concept kitchen in the restaurant called Tepi Laut, which is also known as Seaside Restaurant. And we're going to go in and check it out and see what's for dinner. Come, let's dig in. Checking out the buffet spread, start with the bread. Glorious bread pastry done by the hotel's own pastry kitchen. Hey guys, let's start your dinner with some appetizers here. Something to start your tummy juice flowing. Colorful appetizers. And here we have some salads with their respective sauces for you to choose from. And once we're done with the salad and appetizers, we check out the main course. The Tepi Laut Restaurants, which name suggests, also means seaside restaurants, features an open kitchen style where food are being chosen right before you, and you can select them, get the chefs to cook them for you with the accompanying vegetables and dishes. Say hi, hello. We are expecting many hungry mouths to feed tonight. Look at that. The chefs are cooking right in front of our eyes. And see your food gloriously prepared before you. There are many kitchens here to cover, so let's check out the other one. And now we have the roasted items. Whoa, look at that. We have roasted ducks on top, roasted chicken and steamed chicken with their beautiful sauces accompanying. here we have barbecue chicken and duck. So this is the wrapper, followed by the condiments of vegetables. Look at that, just beautiful. This is duck and this is roast chicken. Let's see how our chicken is being prepared. Hi, chef. These are the men and women that is bracing the heats of the kitchen to bring us glorious, lovely, and delicious food. This is steamed chicken rice. Look at that. Steamed chicken, and here you have some chicken soup, tom yum soup, and curry laksa. These are the soup items. You can have noodles, flat noodles, yellow noodles, vermicelli noodle, and chef here will cook right in front of your eyes for you. Hi, chef. You can choose your own ingredients, and the chef will just prepare for you. It really is a bonus when you know that your food is cooked for you, hot, served hot, and you know, take comfort to know that they are freshly cooked and they are not food that has been prepared way in advance. Look at that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What do we have here? We have, oh, look at that. This is looking just fabulous. Roasted vegetables, and I'm pretty sure that they are accompanying this roast lamb here. Hello, chef. See? We have rice, fried fish. Here you go. Chicken curry. We have Malay beef rendang, a mix of Malay food. Look at that, just freshly came out from that pot right into the serving chafing dish. Look at that. Wow, look at that, look at that. Oh, absolutely brilliant. Nice, chef, very nice. Ooh, look at that, steaming hot. It's really steaming hot. I think the chef next kitchen is preparing something very, very interesting. Okay, this is Indian style food. Oh, look who I met here. Good, hi Irene. This is a friend of mine from Hong Kong. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Okay, we take a commercial break. We just want to take a commercial break. We have met. Wait. Okay, wait a bit. Oh man. Well, I just might. Hello. With truth and honesty, we have not planned to meet here, but this is my friend and his wife Irene.
And I'm
Kate, and they're all the way from Hong Kong.
Yeah, we are from Hong Kong.
This is a good friend of mine, which I've known for what? 35 years? 40 years? 4 decades.
30 years.
Wow. And take us to meet right here in this magical place in Rasa Ria.
And we have 2 guns
Hey,
in Hong Kong.
last time I came here is with you, with her. Remember?
Wow.
PT
I-
800啊
Really? Whoa.
Of course we are.
Okay. Okay, we got some catching up to do. We'll be right back, and I promise you we will get back right to the food.
Yeah, and we're just getting our food. Okay, I am funny. Bye.
All right, guys, let's get back to the kitchen here. Back from commercial break, and we are featuring something from our Indian brothers and sisters here. This nice vegetable curry. We have dal, vegetable tempura, beef fritters, and these are roti canai, murtabak, and look at that. Hi, chef. Hello, chef. See, this is how. This is the real master chef. Let's see how it's being done. Wow, look at that. And the flipping, the magic lies in the flipping, guys. That's the secret recipe. I'm very sure that I'm not allowed and I'm not given the liberty to release the recipe, but you have got to come here and find out for yourself, guys. Look at that. Whew. He makes it look so easy. He makes it look so easy, chef. Wow, I'm sure this is the master chef and he's been doing this for a long time. Yeah. Okay, then he adds an egg. Look at that. Alright. I think I can do the egg. I think I can go back and try and do the egg. I think. Okay, now he's gonna put into the fryer or the pan. There's David again. Oh, that's cooking. Chef, berapa lama sana tuh chef dia masak? 3 minutes lah. Right. I was asking the chef how many minutes it would take to cook that breaded dough. He said it takes about 3-4 minutes. While it's being cooked, let's move on to the next one. Thank you, chef. Well done. Okay, this is a delicacy. It's called apam balik. This is made out of flour, and it's just like a pancake-based thin crust, which has a nutty peanut filling in the middle. Let's take a peek inside. And this is the apparatus that is used to cook apam balik. It's actually just like a waffle maker. And these are the ingredients. Very nice. Let's check out next one. More Malaysian local favorites. Here we have another kitchen featuring satays. This is our local famous skewer with either chicken, beef, lamb, and so on. We have some condiments here. And the sauce that goes with the skewer. Corn on the cob. And we have some meats. Fresh seafood. The chef has just came out with more skewers. And these are beef skewers over there. Oh, look at that, I just missed that. Whew. And on the grill, there are some meat items here. And let's check out what's on the next one. Look at that. Woo. Now kids, don't ever try this at home. Even though you have been cooking for quite some time now. Hi, chef. This can only be done by professionals, trained professionals. Look at that. Now the heat or the fire beneath that wok or the frying pan is really, really important to give that wok hay or that fragrant wok flavor, taste to the food. And this is the kitchen for vegetables. You see all kinds of vegetables, greens, okra here, we have mushrooms, cabbage, broccoli, more greens. Look at that. Chef has just finished cooking one dish here. Woo! Nice. Steaming hot. Steaming hot. Once we're done with the main course, let's check out more items on the buffet counter. Over here, we have a spread of bread. Yeah, it rhymes. Spread of bread. And these bread are prepared especially by the pastry kitchen. Hi, Christian. Yeah. Here, and let's check out what's on the other side. These are desserts. Just turn up the lights a bit. These are jelly. Actually, these are condiments to make what we call the ice shaving dessert. And we have some lovely cakes here. And there are some desserts, more sweets, local flavors. And here we have some mini chocolate caramel tarts, some peach almond tarts, and mini yogurt cake. And let's check out what's next here. Oh, I love these delicious bits that they put in jars. I just love stuff that they put in jars. It looks absolutely attractive. Even though you do not fancy dessert, but this really makes you wanna have some. And here are some local layered cake. We call it kueh lapis. This is a local dessert. It's a must take for desserts after your meal. And here we have some fritters. This looks like yam fritters. We have some porridge here. We call it cha-cha porridge. This is mung bean. There you go. And here we have green bean porridge. And most of these items are can be served hot, warm, or cold. And this is where the restaurant is. And once you get yourself settled with some good food, we are going to check out the bar. Check it out. This is called the sampan bar. This is where you get yourself pre-dinner drinks or after dinner drinks. This is where you get all the juice, your beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic are available here. Look at this bar. It's shaped in the form of a boat or a sampan. Sampan means it's a small wooden boat. Now this is not really small boat, but this is definitely the boat that everyone would like to come here when they're getting thirsty throughout the day. And this bar serves all kinds of beverage during the daytime and in the evening with your meals. Hi, hello. See, the bar here is still empty. It's waiting for people to come and fill up after dinner. And a great place to catch up with friends as well. Look at that. Say hi to Arita. This is my good friend.
Merry Christmas.
You know, guys, from time to time, when you watch the Larger Than Life with Chris video, we're going to feature a lot of my friends here who are working and serving all the guests at Shangri-La'S Rasa Ria Resort and Spa. And one of them here, I want to introduce to you is my good friend, Arita. Arita is from the Food and Beverage Department. And guess what, guys? Arita has been working here for
21 years.
21 years. And it's amazing. I just really want to share you guys, share Arita with you guys, because he has been working here ever since the pre-opening days of Rasa Ria. Means before the hotel was open, the pioneer team that was gathered to run and operate this hotel, one of them is Arita. And Arita has been here serving guests at the food and beverage department all over this resort, and he has been here ever since. Now, I just want to ask Arita some questions. Arita, what makes you, what drives you, or what is the thing that makes you happy to come and serve guests every day for the past 21 years?
Because I've been working here since 1996. So I started as a trainee, as a GPSM on that time, on October 96 until for 6 months. And then I'm very proud to work in Rasa Ria Resort because it's one of the hotel that give opportunity to the staff, and it's a great environment to work in here. It's well, it's sometimes it's busy, but we enjoy it. We enjoy it very much. That's why I stay here for a long time. Already 21 years.
Wow.
Yeah. And,
Wow.
And then can meet different guests from different country, from UK, from China, from Japan, all over the world. So you can see in here. You don't need to go to anywhere else. Just in here.
Well, I'm sure Arita has a lot of friends by now all over the world, and maybe some of you who are watching this Larger Than Life with Chris video, you probably would have spot Arita from this video as well. Now, we would just want to ask a few more questions, Arita. What is it like to be working in such a beautiful place, paradise? What is it like to come to work here every day?
Every day when I start working here at Rasa Ria, I'm feeling feeling eager to work. Yeah, want to come to work. Even feeling like tired when I wake up in the morning. Not like that. And sometimes every morning when I wake up as early as 5 o'clock because my motivation are very high. I want to go. Yeah.
Wow.
So it's semangat lah. Semangat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Arita is really a spirited. Semangat means in our language, it means he's very high spirited. He's highly driven because he wants to see all the guests have been taken care of very well here, and really he's doing a great job. Now there are only a handful of staff or guest services staff that has joined the hotel since the very beginning, and really they have been taking care of guests all over the world. And just one last question, Arita, before we go. What would you look forward to? What are your message? What do you message for our guests who are coming to Rasa Ria? What message do you have for them who are looking forward?
I highly recommend you to come at Rasa Ria Resort because it's such a beautiful place. You can see the very calm environment, very peaceful, and then the service also very good. I personally, with my friends, will look after you very well. Make sure you enjoy your stay and happy either with your family or with your friend or any special occasion.
Now there you have it, guys. This is Shangri-La. This is really the spirit of Shangri-La, and really Shangri-La really rides on the tagline that guest experience really matters. And Arita here and his friends, they're really committed to making your stay hospitable, really enjoyable. They make you feel like VVIP here because you are in the hands of people who have been serving here for 2 decades coming to 3 decades, and really you know that you are in good hands because these are really the professionals. These are the blood and the flesh and blood of the hotel, and they are the ones that keep this place happening, running, and especially it's for you. Yeah, thank you so much, Arita. We congratulate you. We congratulate you, Arita, for bringing wonderful staff here, committed, taking care of the hotel and its guests, and we wish you many more years to come. Yeah, so if you guys do drop by at Shangri-La'S Rasa Ria Resort and Spa, please, if you see Arita, show some love to him, give him some cheer. Thank you so much, Arita.
Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you. So you guys, if you like this video, do share it out, give a thumbs up, and also click to ring the bell so that you get more notification of videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Larger Than Life with Chris signing out.
Thank you.
Hi kids! Today, it's night time. And I got the recording now. And I'm still sure if my parents can finish that cake. And I wash my hands, look. Yay! Subscribe and ring the bell so that you can be notified of us. Get this right stuff. Larger than life with Chris. Larger than life with Chris. Dun-dun.